Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a toaster from Royal Catering. A device everyone knows, but it is a very useful and practical device on any breakfast buffet in any hotel. Okay, so in order to show you how it works, let me just do some toast. First of all, just take some bread. There's 4 slots. You just place your bread slices right in there, just like so, and turn the device on. All you have to do is just turn the time on, select whether you want 4 pieces done or 2, so I select 4, pull the lever up, that makes the toast go down, and as soon as the timer runs out, this lever will jump up and the toast will be lifted. A very cool feature I already mentioned is the fact that you can set it for toasting 2 pieces or 4 pieces. So let's say you don't have that much traffic, you want to save some energy, so just press it for 2, only the 2 on the left will work. But I have 4 toasts and now I have 1.5 minutes to get you through all the features of the device. Well, first of all, it's quite powerful, not like your normal home toaster. It has 1.8 watts of power. It works with 230 volts, so you just plug it in and it's ready to go. If you're looking for a toaster, there's a variety of toasters on the website, so just go and have a look. There's a bigger one, of course, and there's a conveyor toaster as well, so you will find one that will suit your needs best. If it comes to this one, it is made of stainless steel, so it's easy to clean and maintain. It has this special drawer on the bottom to catch all the crumbs that may fall from your bread. Just make sure you remove it once in a while so they don't burn, otherwise your toast will smell burnt. On this toaster you have a decorative motif. Of course, cleaning it after service is easy too. All you have to do is just turn the device off, unplug it from your power source, and just wipe it down with a damp cloth or a paper towel. That's all you have to do. This device comes with a 3-year warranty, and it will come in a box just like this one, with lots of styrofoam inside, just for safety during journey. All right, my toasts are done. And look how beautiful and golden brown they are. This device will also be delivered with an instruction manual. Just have a read before you use the device the first time. There's a lot of useful information, how to operate, how to clean it. That's about it. So guys, if you found this information useful, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.